He is walking down. Oh my god. He is like of this walking. I'll beat all the dogs that you want to hit all the bulls and the pig and just bite the cow. I don't know. You stupid cow, I don't want to kill you. Do you want to kill me or the cow? Just kill the cow first. Kill the cow. No, you want the dog first. I want the dog and lion because we found one. Surround this lion. Only you stupid boy. Oh my god, I didn't do myself because it's so annoying this job and triceratops or a bear just don't first I don't want to go. I don't know because it's to kill me. I don't know what is the wolf and the wolf tell me there was no pool and no beef. Oh, you stupid dog, and you fucking bear. Fight with the bear, please! Bear! Fight with the bear! I can't fight with bears. No. of the triple 22 of this triple 22 YouTube and hoping to record or Lucas Matthew and then watching P2026 and card to jump and he's so annoying and I'm not playing Pokeball or because you call Lucas Matthew annoying. You so stupid. Okay, this is a boy.